So, the geometrical properties, first in the list is reflection of light, and second one is a refraction of light. Reflection and refraction are the geometrical properties of light. And what are the physical properties? There are three physical properties. One is the interference, so first property is interference, second is diffraction, third one is polarization. These three are called physical properties of light, and about these physical properties we are not discussing now, we will be discussing in the higher level. So particularly in this curriculum, we will be discussing mainly about the geometrical properties of light, reflection and refraction of light. So now let us discuss about the reflection of light. First of all, let us see what do you mean by reflection of light. Meaning, let us see the meaning of reflection of light. Whenever a ray of light incident on an opaque surface, it cannot pass through the opaque surface and it bounces back into the same medium. This fact or this phenomena is called reflection of light. So whenever a ray of light incident on an opaque surface like wall, wood, mirror, etc., they cannot pass through because light cannot pass through the opaque objects. They cannot pass through and they bounces back into the same medium. This fact or this phenomena is called reflection of light. Look here. Here AB is the opaque surface, P is the source of light, from the source of light P, a large number of light rays starts and they move in different directions. Among those large number of light rays, I am taking one light ray PQ, and this is approaching the opaque surface. The ray of light approaching the opaque surface is called incident ray. The ray of light approaching the opaque surface is called incident ray. Now PQ is the incident ray, and here QQ dash is normal to the surface AB at Q. So QQ dash is normal to the surface AB at Q, and angle AQQ dash or BQQ dash is 90 degrees. So this is the incident ray. If this medium, if this opaque object is not there, the light ray may travel in this direction in a straight path. But because we introduced the opaque object in the path of light ray, it cannot travel in this direction and it bounces back into the same medium as shown in this figure. In the direction of QR. Now QR is the ray of light moving away from the opaque object AB. So the ray of light moving away from the surface is called reflected ray. So PQ is approaching the opaque surface, so it is incident ray. QR is the ray of light which is moving away from the surface. It is called as reflected ray. So this is the diagrammatic representation of reflection of light. So whenever a ray of light incident on an opaque object, it bounces back into the same medium. This phenomena is called reflection of light. And here PQ is the incident ray, QR is the reflected ray, QQ dash is the normal, AB is the opaque surface. At the same time, see this angle. Angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. The angle between incident ray and normal. PQ is the incident ray, QQ dash is the normal. This angle is called angle of incidence. And the angle between reflected ray and normal, angle RQQ dash, this is called angle of reflection. So, angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. And of course, this angle between incident ray and opaque surface is called as angle of repose. Angle between incident ray and opaque surface is called angle of repose. These are the different points related to the reflection of light. Now after this, we will be discussing about the laws of reflection of light.